Oh, it's a great shot. Oh, what the fuck, Rashford? Whoa! Right now, I'm on the OneFootball app, guys. It's the best footballing app, guys. Seriously, the best footballing app available in the market, guys. You can see everything you want to know about football is available on this app, guys. The lineups will be obviously updated very fast. The lineups are updated very fast. You can see the lineups for Barcelona, Chelsea. You can see every information is available on this app. For this game, I will be going. You can see the lineup. You can see the lineups over here. For this game particularly, I think PSG is gonna win this game. To be honest, I think they're gonna win this game. But I have a feeling that United, after victory of Newcastle, I think we can get a result. So I am thinking. I think it will be mostly a draw. But I think a victory of a United, a 2-1 victory. Why not? I know it's not gonna happen because the lineup of PSG has been amazing. Neymar is starting, Mbappe is starting as well. So that's why I think it will be hard for us. Definitely hard for us. But then I'm hoping for the best for United. And you can, in the gaming section, guys, you can see all the games which is coming on. In the watch section, you can even watch the game, guys, which is amazing thing. And in this app, you can even watch the games. And yeah, I mean, in the transfer section, you can see all the transfers which is done as well. So yeah, guys, if you want to download the OneFootball app, there will be link in the description. Click that link in the description and download the OneFootball app. It's an amazing app, guys. It will not only be helpful for you as a football fan, but also be helping this channel as well. So yeah, link in the description. Download OneFootball app. It's a good cross, a chance of Palace, but great save! Again, a great, amazing save from David De Gea. Kurzawa should have scored that goal. Should have scored the goal. There's no other option. There's no other option, though. It was straight to De Gea. It was straight to De Gea, man. How you're not scoring that goal? It's a penalty. Is it a penalty? It's a penalty. It's a penalty, right? It's a penalty. It's a penalty. Oh my God, let's go! To step up and score this penalty. And I'm pretty confident that Bruno's gonna score this penalty. The last time he missed, it was one of those penalties, man. One of those games you were just not had a great start, bro. But then Bruno with the penalty. Bruno is up for it. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay. The captain is taking the penalty. Oh my God, he feels so good for him, man. United captain, first time, and he's scoring a goal. Maybe the winning goal against PSG, but he has to score it, bro. He has to score it, man. Oh shit, Bruno with the penalty. He's calm, boy. No! 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 Fucking no! Why? Oh my God, not a good penalty, bro. Not a good penalty. It's not good penalty. Shit, man. It's a save, man. It's not a miss, it's save. But not a good penalty again, man. For fuck's sake, man. For fuck's sake, bro. Bruno, I love you, but still. How can you miss? Oh, second chance. Second chance. It will be retaken. Bruno, this time. Oh, Bruno with a goal! All you haters, fuck you! Bruno with a goal, and it's 1-0 for United. A great start for us, I have to say, against the run of play. It's definitely against the run of play. Maybe, we were good for for 2 minutes before we got the penalty. We were decent, we were trying to create chance. But then, yeah, PSG were dominating the game for the first 15 minutes, man. After the first 5 minutes, they were dominating the game for the period of 5 minutes to 20 minutes. They were dominating the game. So I have to say, against the run of play, easily, they could have scored 2 goals. But yeah, here we are right now. We are in the game, man. We are 1-0 ahead. Well, Neymar with a good. No, and one goal for Martial. No. Oh no, no, man. No, such a bad way of conceding, man. Oh, we conceded like that. That's so shit, man. That's so shit, though. Why, Martial? Like, why? Oh my God, Martial. That's shit, man. An old goal for Martial. Oh, it's a great shot. Oh, what the fuck, Rashford? Whoa! Oh my God, Rashford. What a goal. Oh my God, what a shot. Wow! Wow! Great shot, man! Great power, great precision. Grounded shot. No way Navas was saving that. It was so hard to save. Nobody expected this kind of a shot. A perfect shot, man. Shit! What a shot! 2-1. My prediction is right, guys. 2-1. 2-1 it is. Where are the PSG fans now? Where are the PSG fans now, guys? Yeah, it does. Take this, man. Shove it in your ass. Goal. It was our own goal from us, man. Neymar, Di Maria, Mbappe front three was not able to score a single goal against us. That shows how good we are at the back five, man. With Fred and McTominay saving us, man. Like, yeah, that's amazing. And I have to say, for me, even though Rashford scored the goal and Bruno scored the goal, I mean, I should give man of the match to these two. But for me, man of the match has to be someone like Tonzibe, not Tonzibe, but I have to say Van Bissaka is the man of the match for me because he was playing against Neymar and Mbappe and having a double, bad season, kind of bad season, not a great start of the season. So it was a very big moment, a huge game for us, and he stepped it up, bro. He stepped it up.